wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sausage stuffers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Vivo stuffer is available in 3 capacities ranging from 5 to 15 pounds and in single or dual gear options. Its all-metal frame sports an attractive vibrant red finish that will add a colourful pop to any kitchen. It's equipped with an air release valve and a plunger that retracts quickly. However, it can't hold up to high volume use. At number 9, if you already own the company's mixer, you can get the KitchenAid metal food grinder kit rather than purchasing a standalone appliance. It features several grinding plates to achieve different mince sizes and 2 filling tubes. It comes with a pusher and a cleaning brush, but it is pricey for an attachment and it's best for small batches. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Master Feng 2.5 pound vertical features an adjustable clamp that attaches firmly to a table or countertop to ensure it stays securely in place. It comes with 8 filling tubes, 4 of which are plastic and 4 of which are metal. It disassembles for storage and is also available in a horizontal model. However, the build quality could be better. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sausage stuffers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, ideal for the home chef with neither the need nor space for a high-capacity machine, the compact Fante's Classic Maker 12009 is affordable and easy to store. It comes with 3 nozzles for varying the diameter of your links, though they are plastic. This one's a good choice for newbies and has a suction cup base to keep it in place, but it must be hand-washed. Moving up our list to number 6, the Hakka Brothers SV3 offers 2 filling speeds, so experienced users can work quickly while beginners can take a bit more time to perfect their technique. Thanks to its mostly metal design, food never touches plastic when inside it. It features a chrome-plated steel crank and a convenient tilting canister. This one's suitable for commercial use. Halfway up our list at number 5, the STX International 4000 TB2 can both mince meat and stuff it into a casing, so you won't need to buy 2 separate appliances and you'll save a little room in your kitchen. It includes 5 grinding plates, 3 blades and more. It comes with an air-cooled motor, low, high and reverse speeds and helpful illustrated instructions. At number 4, made by a German cutlery manufacturer that specializes in butcher's tools, the friedr Dick is built to last through thousands of homemade links. It's equipped with a stainless steel base with pre-drilled mounting holes for permanent installation. It features 4 filling tubes, robust oversized gears and a dishwasher-safe cylinder. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with the Weston 86-0701-W, you can prepare fresh wurst, hot dogs and luncheon meats from domestic meat or wild game in the convenience of your own home. It boasts a large upright canister that tilts outward for quick loading and heavy-duty steel gears. It's equipped with protective rubber feet, a pressure release valve and a handle that rotates smoothly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sausage stuffers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, small enough for practically any kitchen, the LEM Products 824 is ideal for those without a lot of counter space to spare. It accommodates up to 5 pounds of meat, can be stored in most cabinets and is made almost entirely from metal components. It comes with a long-lasting rubber gasket, a wide mouth for easy cleaning, and a long handle that provides good leverage. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you work in a commercial or restaurant kitchen or just enjoy making large batches of links for all your friends, co-workers and family members, the 30-pound motorized LEM Products 1217 is probably the right choice for you. It boasts a sturdy stainless steel body, 8 speed settings and a foot-operated switch. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sausage stuffers, or simply click beneath this video.